So hello guys, I hope so you all are doing very great and your preparations are also going in full swing. So yeah, now we are with the better voice quality because yes, we have the 800 rupees Boya mic with a very long wire. I don't know the exact dimension, but still it's very long. Yeah, very comfortable to use and very user friendly. So yeah, let's come to the point for which you have clicked on this video. Okay, let's not waste your even 1 second. So the point is ki the video I'm planning, the video is about mainly a AFM strategy. Mainly I will mainly focus on how you should secure your 16 marks. Like your 16 marks can be very easily secured. Like you can't even lose 1 mark on that portion, and that is the AFM theory. I don't know how you everyone prepares, but what according to what I prepared and based on whose suggestion I prepared, I'm telling that like there was AIR one Hiram Maheshwari in November 24. So I don't know, I somewhere read like he wrote that for AFM theory he actually shared a spreadsheet screenshot of how he prepared for all the subjects. Okay, before the May exams, and he actually shared that for the AFM theory he divided all the theory full theory, like full for all the chapters including the practical ones maybe, but yeah, for the all the main 4 or 5 theory chapters that are there, let's startup finance and securitization and the first chapter financial corporate strategy. Okay, from which the amendment question came in this attempt May 25. There is one more chapter. Okay, these are 4 main chapters, but still you can cover more of the theory if you plan properly. So he gave an idea ki like you can cover all the, you can divide theory in all questions and then you just revise them daily. And actually I followed that thing. Yeah, I didn't divide it in the questions format, but yeah, I just took the topics and just made a compiled PDF. Like the compiled PDF is not something that I have copy pasted the content from somewhere. It's just that I took the notes. Like firstly I took the basic notes of theory of the remember here Pavan Karmele sir has shared the theory notes of his notes are best for AFM. Even I didn't make any notes for AFM and FR, and that's a story for another video. Okay, that's a funny and yeah crazy story that I will tell some other day. Yeah, so the AFM theory, I have made my own notes by compiling all the resources that I used. Like ICA material screenshots are there in that notes, and the Pavan Karmele sir theory notes that he has shared are there. Also amended portion is covered already, like all the amendments in the AFM theory that were there for the May 25 attempt all are covered. Okay, and next thing is yeah, all the relevant portion of theory from the practical chapters also is covered in that PDF. So you can short rely on that PDF. Even I trust me, I am telling you, like I revised AFM theory at least 20 to like maybe 18 to 20 times before the 1.5 day even. Okay, so in the 1.5 day, like if you have revised so many times, so you feel very confident, fortunately. Okay, because already you have the confidence level, you know the memory techniques, you have revised a lot, so you don't need to spend much time on in the 1.5 day on the AFM theory portion. The best you can do is ki you can just take like 10 15 20 minutes on the 1.5 in the 1.5 day for the AFM theory, and you are done for that exam. Okay, and I remember like yeah, after the audit exam ended, like I had only had a group 1. So after the audit exam ended, I and one of my friend, we just sat, we were just discussing the AFM paper and like all the papers on the call, and we were just trying to get our marks, estimated marks which we are expecting from this May 25 attempt. And for the AFM especially, we actually reached to the mark of 70 plus. Okay, he also got like 80 marks and I got 74 or 72, I guess. Okay, the main confidence level in the AFM was the AFM theory. So when the question paper arrived, I just saw the theory questions first, because I had revised the theory so many times. So I was expecting that even if there is any question which I don't, then I might feel very bad. But fortunately, all the 4 questions were easily handleable because memory techniques were already on my mind. And because when you revise so many times, there is no doubt that you can forget the memory techniques. Okay, so this PDF is like 30-40 pages only. Just revise give 30 minutes daily to AFM theory till the exam time, and you are just securing your 16 marks for sure. Okay, then next thing comes down to the other portion, practical portion. Okay, which is also the main part obviously. After the around 84 marks is coming from practical. Okay, so I think most of the people leave forex, and I have seen various LinkedIn posts regarding that. Even without forex I secured exemption. So I don't like that thing particularly, because yeah, forex is a very like loving chapter. I love that chapter. Okay, because obviously that chapter takes a huge lot of time. You are only advised to do that chapter at this point of time if you have already done and revise that once before this day on which you are watching the video. And currently I'm making this video, I think on 26th of July is due today. Okay, so if today's time you have already done your forex and you have already revised it once with doing all the question, practicing them on calculator, and your concepts are very clear, okay, like the cross rate and exchange rate, whatever you have to, like bid rate, ask rate, because this is a conceptual thing which you need to understand before you start revising. Okay, otherwise the concepts won't go in your mind. Okay, like the automatic cancellation, and I had spent a lot of time on forex. Okay, trust me. And that gave me a lot of confidence in the forex, that even if any questions comes, I won't leave any question. I will attempt that and most probably do the 80% of the question rightly. Okay, I had that confidence in me. Okay, then forex is like I told, if you, how and when, why should you do it now? If you have done it already, then only you can plan to do it now. Otherwise there is no point doing that, and you will end up wasting your time and your energy, and you will get into stress position, because forex at this point can't be done from the very beginning if you haven't done it already. Okay, you need time to do that. So forex is something that you can start as a priority thing if you have already done it, and then you can move forward with derivatives and all chapters like advanced capital budgeting. That's the new chapter from which ICA is not asking the tricky portion yet, like the sensitivity analysis is not yet asked, decision tree analysis not yet been asked. So these are some typical topics that if ICA asks and you have not practiced much, then you might fall into that thing. Okay, and you might lose marks there. Then next come down to the derivatives ho gaya, like capital budgeting done. Then there are other, yes, security valuation is another chapter, easy chapter, bond valuation, equity valuation, nothing sort of tough in that. Okay, then come down to the other chapters like mutual fund, portfolio management. So you, in the AFM, the main thing is you practice all the questions and you are clear with the formulas, because mainly in the portfolio and bond valuation you have to ratify the formulas mainly. Otherwise in other chapters, like just conceptual clarity is what all you need, and the questions practice you need, because there are different type of questions in equity valuation also, portfolio also. There are a lot of type of questions, but if you have practiced, and you can even watch the revision videos of Pawan Karmele sir. I will try to share the Excel sheet of all the revision videos that I referred, because they might be relevant for this attempt also, because there are no particular amendments in those chapters. In few chapters there are, and for them I will just give you the latest revision links. Once I am not promising that I will give the link in this video itself. I might make another video of like comprising all the revision videos of all the subjects that I referred in my preparations. That might be helpful for you. Okay, okay. So this is a like simple strategy. Like theory is the priority thing for the AFM, and then next come down to, like, if you leave the forex, then obviously other chapters you have to do it very carefully, because forex, like in the MCQs portion, came for literally 10 marks, 8 to 10 marks, 8 marks. Yeah, it literally came. So if you haven't done the forex, then you are sure shot leaving your 8 marks, na. But still people are there who have gotten the exemptions, because they were very clear on the other chapters, because forex is not that everyone can do, because it takes time to understand. Okay, and if you don't invest the time, then forex will just destroy your mind. Okay, because it has a complex typical concepts to understand. Okay, so that's all. Like, refer Pawan Karmele sir revisions. You can even refer his revisions are very detailed, and his notes are very perfect to understand you. Like, I might tell you that I took the classes from Sanjay Saraf sir. Like, very respectfully I took the classes from him, and I still till the I respect that faculty, because the conceptual clarity he has given to me is immense. Like, I don't think any teacher can, like, I might have taken from another one, then I wouldn't have any such clarity. But I feel like that person is a like very high level knowledge person. Okay, because obviously, yeah, he has experience, and he is also teaching CFA and other courses, so he also has a bunch of examples and other to explain the things. Okay, so but for the revision purpose, his revision videos were not available on the YouTube or even the paid version I took, but still that didn't help me, because I wanted something that notes are properly made, because my notes were like rubbish. Okay, I didn't make proper notes. I made some notes in the tablet itself, like whole forex, like 100-page notes I made in the tab itself. So you guess the amount of time I might have spent on making the notes, because the amount of time you spend on making the notes on tablet it is significantly higher than the one you will spend on the normal copy pen. Okay, so this is like my whole strategy for the AFM. How did I end up scoring 74 maybe or 72? But still I feel guilty that I might have revised properly in the 1.5 day, then I might have gotten close to 90 marks. Okay, because the paper was very easy for the May 25 attempt. Anybody could have scored 90 plus easily if he or she has revised the syllabus properly. So I shouldn't make this video more longer, so just go with this. I will share the PDF of AFM theory that I referred. You can even refer for that, because this is the right time when even I started for my AFM theory seriously. Like last 30-40 days I was very serious for the AFM theory कि like भाई इसमें तो मुझे फोड़ना है. AFM theory में I can't lose single mark, and I haven't applied for RTI till now, but if I apply and if I get the RTI copies, then I will surely show that thing to you that in the AFM theory I think I might not have loosened the marks, because as per my calculations also with my friend on that audit exam day that I calculated my marks, so all the marks were going out on the practical portion itself. Like I and my friend like saw like where did I made the silly mistake, so we deducted that marks and we got to the score close to 70, 69 or 70, but fortunately I got 72 or 74. So yeah, this was my strategy for AFM, and AFM is the only subject that I mostly liked after the IDT. IDT was my favorite subject in the because of Akshan sir, thankfully, and second one is AFM, which I love right now. Not right now, but yeah, it is gone, past is gone. Okay, so not right now. Right now I'm trying to prepare for the interviews, okay, which is in taxation only. So if anyone is interested in taxation domain, yeah, we can discuss about the same. You can comment, like message me anywhere on the social media platforms. I will share all the links in the description. So this was all for this videos, guys. Okay, all the best and stay blessed. Be yourself and like study hard, list clear, and the feeling you will get after passing now, that is uncomparable. Okay, so that you can see the smile on my face. Okay, I have don't have any stress. Even if I don't clear any interview, I don't have any stress, because दिस इज समथिंग आई डोंट लाइक. अगर पढ़ाई के चक्कर में इंटरव्यू नहीं हो रही, नो दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है. कोई और रीज़न है तो देन आई विल ऑब्वियसली आई गेट स्ट्रेस, बट अगर पढ़ाई की वजह से हो रही है, ठीक है यार, पढ़ लेंगे कभी, ठीक है. अभी पढ़ने का मन नहीं हो रहा, अभी जस्ट वांट टू लाइक रिलैक्स माय माइंड. ओके, ठीक है, जितना बहुत पढ़ा हुआ है उतने के ऊपर बोल देंगे, ठीक है. बाकी सब तो भगवान के हाथ में है. ओके गाइज, ऑल द बेस्ट, बाय बाय.